Hello everyone. We will introduce the world's representative expos in 2024. Let's find out about world-class exhibitions and see them together. We will create our knowledge through a globally representative expo in 2024. There are many amazing and interesting fairs in the world. Today we will go to a world-renowned and representative expo with you. Among them, today we will introduce you to a representative exhibition. It's a great pleasure to be able to meet different people and share knowledge in a fun place. Apply now to participate in various fairs where you can talk about common interests with people from all over the world. Come along and find fun and happy knowledge today. Safety precautions must be followed at all times. Make plans now for new experiences in a more exciting world. Now, let's set off to find the knowledge right to know. Several major international agricultural fairs. International Agricultural Fair 2024 will be held in 2024. First, Agro Expo, International Agriculture and Livestock Expo. Agro Expo, International Agricultural and Livestock Fair 2024. The event is held in January or February and is located in Izmir, Turkey. It is Turkey's largest agricultural fair, with over 1,200 participating companies and over 500 national and international organizations participating, exhibiting a variety of agricultural machinery, technologies and products, and holding agriculture-related conferences and seminars. The second is the 2024 Sahara International Agricultural Exhibition for Africa and the Middle East Expo 2024 in Cairo, Egypt. The event will be held in September 2024 and will be held at the Egypt International Exhibition Center, EIBC, Cairo, Egypt. It is the largest agricultural fair in Africa and the Middle East, with over 600 participating companies and more than 40 countries participating, and focuses on agricultural development in Africa and the Middle East, providing opportunities to attract investment and promote trade. The third is the 2024 International Agricultural Fair in Novi Sad, Serbia. The event will be held in May 2024 and will be held at Novi Sad Fair, Novi Sad, Serbia. It is the largest agricultural fair in the Balkan region, with over 500 participating companies and more than 30 countries participating, and holds exhibitions in various fields such as agricultural machinery, livestock, and food processing, as well as agriculture-related conferences and seminars. Lastly, the 2024 International Agricultural Expo in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Expo 2024. The event will be held in March 2024 and will be held in La Rural Predio Ferial de Buenos Aires, Argentina. It is the largest agricultural fair in South America, with over 800 participating companies and more than 30 countries participating, and it holds exhibitions in various fields such as agricultural machinery, technology, and seeds, as well as agriculture-related conferences and seminars. Several major international energy fairs. International Energy Fair 2024 will be held in 2024. The first is Wind Energy Hamburg 2024, which takes place in September 2024. The venue is Hamburg Messe, Hamburg, Germany. It is the world's largest wind energy expo, with over 1,400 participating companies and more than 30 countries participating, exhibiting the latest technologies and products related to wind energy, and holding conferences and seminars on the growth of the offshore wind power sector. The second is CIGRE 2024, and the period is August 2024. The venue is Paris Expo Porte de Versailles, Paris, France. It is the world's largest power expo held every 4 years, with over 1,200 participating companies and more than 100 countries participating, with exhibitions of the latest technologies and products related to power systems and conferences on major fields, such as smart grid, transmission and distribution technology, and renewable energy, and seminars. The third is EGYPS 2024, and the period is February 2024. The venue is the Egypt International Exhibition Center, EIEC, Cairo, Egypt. It is the largest energy expo in North Africa and the Middle East, with over 600 participating companies and more than 40 countries participating, with conferences and seminars focusing on exhibitions in various fields, such as oil, gas, power, and renewable energy, as well as energy resource development and investment attraction, will be held. Lastly is Hannover Messe 2024, which takes place in April. The venue is Deutsche Messe AG, Hanover, Germany. It is the world's largest industrial expo, with over 6,000 participating companies and more than 70 countries participating, and holds exhibitions in various fields, such as energy, automobiles, industrial automation, and digital technology, as well as conferences and seminars to introduce future industry trends and innovative technologies. We recommend that you select and participate in a specific fair based on your area of interest. International Automobile Show 2024. Several major international auto shows will be held in 2024. First up is the New York International Auto Show 2024. The event is held every year in March or April, and is held at the Jacob K. Javits Convention Center, New York, USA. It is the largest automobile expo in North America, with over 1,000 vehicles on display, and new cars from world-class automobile manufacturers, introduction of the latest automobile technologies and trends, and various experience programs. The second is the Beijing International Automobile Expo Auto China 2024. The period is held every year in April and May, and the location is China International Exhibition Center, CIEC, Beijing, China. It is the largest automobile expo in Asia, with over 2,000 vehicles on display, and an expo that showcases the growth of China's automobile industry, and has programs to address the growing interest in emerging automobile markets and technologies, and the expansion of overseas automobile manufacturers. The third is the Mondial de l'Automobile de Paris 2024, the Paris International Automobile Expo in France. The event will be held in October 2024 and will be held at the Paris Expo Porte de Versailles, Paris, France. It is the world's oldest automobile expo, with over 1,200 vehicles on display and the forefront of European automotive design and technology. With growing interest in eco-friendly cars and future mobility, we have a variety of test drives and experience programs available. Lastly, the Tokyo Motor Show 2024. The event will be held in October or November 2024 and will be held at Tokyo Big Sight, Tokyo, Japan. It is one of Asia's leading automobile expos, introducing the latest technologies and trends in the Japanese automotive industry and growing interest in future mobility and innovative concept cars. There are various test drives and experience programs. International Environmental Fair 2024. Several major international environmental fairs will be held in 2024. The first one is IFAT 2024, which will be held in May 2024 and will be held in Messe-Emden, Germany. It is the world's largest environmental technology fair, with over 3,000 participating companies and more than 60 countries participating, with exhibitions in various fields, such as waste management, water quality management, and air pollution prevention, as well as conferences and seminars leading the future of environmental technologies and solutions. It will be held. The second is Pollutech 2024, which will be held in October 2024 and will be held at Eurexpo Lyon, France. It is Europe's largest environmental technology fair, with over 2,200 participating companies and more than 120 countries participating, exhibiting various technologies and products across the environmental industry, and holding conferences and seminars focusing on sustainable development and the green economy. The third is IE Expo China 2024, scheduled for June 2024 and located at Shanghai New International Expo Center, SNIEC, Shanghai, China. It is Asia's largest environmental technology fair, with over 1,500 participating companies and more than 50 countries participating, and it hosts conferences and seminars that showcase water, waste, air, and soil pollution prevention technologies and provide opportunities for the growth of China's environmental market. Lastly, there is Eco Waste 2024. The period is November 2024, and the location is Barcelona International Convention Center, CCIB, Barcelona, Spain. It is the largest trade fair in the waste management and recycling sector, with over 800 participating companies and more than 40 countries participating. Conferences and seminars showcase waste management technologies and solutions, recycling industry trends, and increase interest in waste reduction and the circular economy. We are holding an event. We recommend that you select and participate in a specific fair based on your area of interest. The 7th International Flower Expo Floriade Expo 2024 is the world's largest flower fair, held every 10 years. It will be held in the Netherlands from April to October 2024. The theme of this event is Growing Green Cities, Green Growth for the Future of Cities. It will feature displays of various flowers and plants from around the world, and the creation of gardens themed as green spaces for future cities. A conference on green growth in the city is scheduled to be held, and cultural events related to flowers and plants are scheduled to be held. Participants in Floriade Expo 2024 include flower and plant-related companies, government agencies and organizations, academia and research institutes, green space experts, and general visitors. Stay up to date with the latest flower and plant trends and network with flower and plant enthusiasts from around the world. You can discover business opportunities related to green space and get ideas for green growth in the city. Applications for participation are available on the Floriade Expo 2024 website. More information can be found on the Floriade Expo 2024 website. The International Flower Fair 2024 offers an enjoyable experience for everyone who loves flowers and plants. 14th International Broadcasting, Communications and Information Technology, IBC 2024 as the International Broadcasting, Communications and Information Technology IBC exhibition. IBC is the world's largest broadcasting, communications and information technology ICT exhibition. IBC 2024 will be held at the Amsterdam RAI Exhibition and Convention Center in September 2024. The theme of this event is Connecting the Future, the Age of Convergence. IBC 2024 will focus on the impact of technologies such as 5G, cloud, and artificial intelligence AI on the broadcasting industry. Next-generation communication technologies such as 5G, IoT, SDN, NFV, and cloud computing with information technology, ICT, production and distribution of new content technologies, such as artificial intelligence AI, big data, cybersecurity, OTT, VRAR, 360 video, etc. Major topics on building smart cities using technologies such as 5G, IoT, AI, we will cover it. You can apply to register as a participant on the IBC website. Exhibitors can apply for exhibition space on the IBC website. IBC 2024 offers a variety of sponsorship opportunities. Further details on sponsorship can be found on the IBC website, featuring over 55,000 attendees from over 170 countries, over 1,700 exhibitors, over 500 conference sessions, and numerous networking opportunities. Participants in IBC 2024 include broadcasting, communications, and information technology ICT industry workers, government agencies and organizations, investors and financial institutions, and related academic and research institute consulting companies. You can understand the latest trends and technologies in consulting companies and the broadcasting, communications, and information technology (ICT) industries. You can network with people in the broadcasting, communications, and information technology (ICT) industries from around the world. You can discover new business opportunities. You can gain insight into the future of the broadcasting, communications, and information technology (ICT) industries. The 20th World Architecture Expo 2024 is the world's largest architecture fair. It will be held in Barcelona, Spain in October 2024. The theme of this event will be sustainability and innovation for the future of architecture. We are planning an exhibition of the latest architecture-related technologies and products, including architectural design, building materials and construction, as well as a discussion forum on future architecture where architects from around the world gather. Workshops and training programs for architecture professionals and various cultural events related to architecture are being prepared. Participants in World Architecture Expo 2024 include architecture-related companies, architectural designers and construction companies, government agencies and organizations, academia and research institutes, architecture-related experts, and general visitors. You can learn about the latest architecture-related technologies and products, and network with architects around the world. You can get new ideas for future architecture, and discover architecture-related business opportunities. Applications for participation are available on the World Architecture Expo 2024 website. More information can be found on the World Architecture Expo 2024 website. The International Architecture Fair 2024 provides the best opportunity for everyone who will shape the future of architecture together. Second International Space Fair 2024. The International Space Expo will be held in Dubai, United Arab Emirates from October to November 2024. This expo is the world's largest space expo, and will be an opportunity to showcase the latest technologies and developments in the space industry. It exhibits the latest technologies and products related to the space industry, including satellites, rockets, spacecraft, and space exploration. The world's major space organizations and companies participate to discuss space exploration and development cooperation. We hold conferences and seminars covering a variety of topics, including the future of the space industry, space exploration, and space development. We offer a variety of experience programs such as virtual reality experience and astronaut training experience. The main participants of the International Space Fair in 2024 are space industry-related companies, government agencies and organizations, academia and research institutes, space-related experts, and general visitors. You can understand the latest technologies and trends in the space industry, gain networking opportunities with the world's leading space organizations and companies. You can discover space business opportunities and improve your understanding of the future space industry. Applications for participation are available on the Second International Space Expo website. More information can be found on the Second International Space Expo website. We offer the best opportunity for anyone interested in the space industry. The first International Space Expo was held in Paris, France in November 2023. The second International Space Expo is the first International Space Expo to be held in the United Arab Emirates. The second International Space Expo will be held with the theme The Next Frontier of Space and Humanity. 22nd International Oil and Gas Expo IPEG 2024. The International Oil and Gas Expo IPEG is one of the world's largest oil and gas industry events. Every year, thousands of participants and exhibitors gather to discuss the latest trends and technologies in the oil and gas industry. IPEG 2024 will be held in Dubai, United Arab Emirates in May 2024. The theme of this event is energy transition and cooperation for a sustainable future. Key topics at IPEG 2024 include the future of the oil and gas industry in the energy transition, innovation and technology in sustainable energy, supply chain and risk management for energy security, investments for the future of the energy industry, and international cooperation to solve energy challenges. We are going to cover. You can apply to register as a participant on the IPEG website. Exhibitors can apply for exhibition space on the IPEG. IPEG 2024 offers a variety of sponsorship opportunities. Further details on sponsorship can be found on the IPEG. IPEG 2024 highlights include more than 5,000 attendees and 600 exhibitors from over 100 countries, over 100 conference sessions, and numerous networking opportunities. Participants in IPEG 2024 include oil and gas industry workers. We are an energy-related consulting company for energy-related government agencies and organizations, investors and financial institutions, and related academic and research institutions. Stay abreast of the latest trends and technologies in the oil and gas industry. Network with people in the oil and gas industry from around the world. You can discover new business opportunities, gain insight into the future of the oil and gas industry. The 23rd Asia Pacific International Trade Expo APEC 2024 is a large-scale exhibition held with the purpose of promoting trade and investment among Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation APEC member countries. It is scheduled to be held in Bangkok, Thailand in November 2024. APEC 2024 themes will cover inclusive and innovative economies for sustainable growth, strengthening regional economic integration, and cooperation for the future. Trade fairs showcase a variety of products and services from APEC member countries, and conferences and forums discuss topics related to APEC economic cooperation, introduce investment opportunities, and provide cultural experiences. Participants in 2024 include governments and businesses of APEC member countries, investors and financial institutions, international organizations, and non-profit organizations, related academic and research institutions, and general visitors. You can learn about various products and services from APEC member countries and get information on topics related to economic cooperation. You can discover APEC investment opportunities and network with government and business officials from member countries. You can experience APEC culture, and application for participation is available on the APEC 2024 website. More information about APEC 2024 can be found on the APEC 2024 website. The 10th World Water Sports Expo 2024 is the world's largest water sports exhibition, held in France in October. This expo is a place where leading companies and organizations in the water sports industry from around the world gather to showcase the latest technologies and products under the theme of water sports for a sustainable future. We display a variety of water sports equipment, including surfing, yachting, kayaking, and fishing, and operate water sports experience programs. We hold conferences related to the water sports industry and hold cultural events related to water sports. Those participating in the World Water Sports Expo 2024 are water sports-related companies, investors and financial institutions, government agencies and organizations, related academic and research organizations, and water sports enthusiasts. You can understand trends in the water sports industry and find out about the latest water sports equipment. You can discover business opportunities related to water sports and network with enthusiasts. Applications for participation are available on the World Water Sports Expo 2024 website. More information can be found on the World Water Sports Expo 2024 website. The Paris Air Show 2024 is the world's premier aviation exhibition, and one of the oldest and most prestigious aviation exhibitions, held every 2 years. The 54th Paris Air Show, scheduled to be held in 2024, will be a global platform showcasing the latest technologies and innovations in the aerospace industry. The period is June 2024 and will be held at the Le Bourget Exhibition Center in Paris, France. The theme is Wings for Innovation. Major aircraft manufacturers participating include Airbus, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Dassault, and Cormac. Aerospace component and system suppliers include Honeywell, Safran, Sales, Collins Aerospace, and GE Aviation. In the defense industry, Leonardo, by Systems, Sales, Raytheon Technologies, Lockheed Martin, etc. participate. In the space industry, Airbus, Defense and Space, Sales, Alenia Space, Arianespace, JAXA, NASA, etc. participate. Civil aviation has the latest passenger planes, cargo planes, business jets, and more. Military aircraft include fighter jets, helicopters, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Aerospace systems include satellites, spacecraft, and launch vehicles. Aerospace engines include jet engines and rocket engines for aircraft and spacecraft. Aircraft parts and systems include avionics, landing gear, and maintenance parts. Defense systems include radar, missiles, and air defense systems. These include aviation services, airport operations, and unmanned aerial systems, UAS applications. International defense conferences and forums. International defense conferences and forums are held with the participation of defense officials from around the world. The Aerospace Industry CEO Forum will be held where leaders in the aerospace industry will gather to discuss future prospects. An exhibition where promising aerospace startups showcase their technologies. An aerobatic air show demonstration flight of the latest aircraft will be held. A museum displays aviation history. Tickets can be purchased online or at the venue. The 2024 International Defense Exhibition KADEX 2024, one of the world's largest defense exhibitions and an important platform to showcase cutting-edge defense technologies and products, will be held in October in South Korea. This exhibition, attended by defense industry officials from around the world, will be an opportunity to get a glimpse into future warfare. The theme of the exhibition is Technology for Future Warfare. Weapons and defense systems introduce the latest weapons and defense systems, including tanks, fighter jets, missiles, and warships. Aerospace systems introduce cutting-edge aerospace systems, such as fighter jets, unmanned aerial vehicles, and aerospace systems. We introduce various marine systems such as submarines, destroyers, and maritime patrol aircraft. Cyber defense system introduces the latest cyber defense system that protects your network from cyber attacks. We introduce a homeland security system that protects the public from terrorist attacks and disasters. As a defense industry solution, we introduce a variety of solutions that increase productivity and efficiency in the defense industry. We host seminars and forums where defense experts discuss the threats and challenges of future warfare, a tailored program for defense buyers. Participants will have the opportunity to meet and consult directly with exhibitors. There are events where companies demonstrate their latest technologies. There are networking events where defense industry officials can meet and interact with each other. The fairs introduced today are just a few of the various fairs held around the world. This information used data provided by Expo promotional materials and event association organizations, as well as NamuWiki and Wikipedia. It would be a great experience to find a fair that suits your taste and participate in it yourself. Create a happy trip for you and your family by following the rules and actions to follow. Subscriptions, likes, and comments are of great help to us. See you in the next video. Thank you.